The integral of 0 to 1 x e to the power minus x dx evaluate to round off to 2 decimal. So in this case we have to apply integration by part. In the integration by part formula, u should be considered which ends on differentiation, so it should u, it is v. 0 to 1 x e to the power minus x dx, it should be u into v minus differentiation of dy dx of u integration v similarly x integration e to the power minus x dx 0 to 1 minus integration 0 to 1 dx by dx integration 0 to 1 e to the power minus x dx. Now we can solve x into e to the power minus x from 0 to 1 minus plus integration 0 to 1 e to the power minus x dx equals to minus 1 by e plus minus e to the power minus x 0 to 1. Now solving we get minus 1 by e minus 1 by e minus 1. So we get minus 2 by e plus 1, it's minus 735 plus 1, it's 0.265 or 0.26. So for this question 0.26 is the correct answer.